Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Las Vegas versus the Carolina Hurricanes in NHL 20. Vegas, I want them to be home. Good. I actually for Vegas, I really like Vegas. Their goalie is very good. Fleury, yeah, he's really good. I saw videos top 5 saves, and let me tell you, they were crazy. That's inspired. That's what made me want to do Vegas. And I want to see if the goalie could get pretty good saves. I know I passed it. There we go. And I'm gonna be here. Holy 90, holy smokes. I mean, I know it's the Knights, and I know they're good, but 90. Ooh, 10 more wins and we're 100. That's a lot. What can I say? The goal is good.
Hi everybody, along with Ray Pearl, I'm James Cebulski. Welcome to Las Vegas.
Las Vegas.
Before we get this one underway, really an important game, really a game that
Let's see if we did 2 likes on the video. For the next NHL video.
The Golden Knights start with possession as we are now underway.
They look like Detroit because they're made out of, because they're red and because they're mostly white with red, and that's exactly what the Detroit Red Wings away looks like. It's Carolina, as you can see at the bottom. Vegas is playing home at T-Mobile Arena. It's 0-0. First period, 17 minutes, 21 seconds, 0-0.
The goalie had time to square up with that slap shot. Takes a little bit of time to set up, but it's a hard one. He makes the stop anyway. Carlson's won the draw here in the offensive zone.
There we go. We scored. Las Vegas. Woohoo! 1-0. Nate Schimmer. Did I pronounce that wrong? Face off. Shot, dodged everybody right in the net. He didn't even believe it went in, and he saw with his own eyes. See? Turned around. It went in the net. Woohoo! I'm proud of the Vegas squad. I love Vegas. I knew they were going to have to get 1 goal because it's Vegas. But, yeah. So it's 1-0 now, first period, 16 minutes. There you go, 2-0. First period, 15 minutes. No, I didn't really see it all. Mark Stone scored. Miss. I knew as soon as I saw that person coming for the puck, I knew that was going to be it. Like you can see the whole arena shaking. Or the camera, sorry, not the whole arena. That's crazy. I mean, maybe. So it's 2-0. First period, 15 minutes, 15 minutes, not 15. 15 minutes, 30. Hold on, let me restart that. First period, 14 minutes, 30 seconds, 2-0. Huh. He did it like nothing. He just put his foot up.
Now he takes it over the line. Big time stop there.
Oh.
Carolina's going to play the puck from behind the cage. Shuts him down. Again, the denial by the goaltender.
Not bad for Carolina goalie.
Plenty of time to go here in the first. Offense his own face off, and he wins the draw. Wide of the net. I like the shot. I didn't miss it by much, though. Trying to make a move, and the puck hops away. Williams had an opportunity to do something different, but he overhandled the puck.
Let's go! 3-0 already. That was a crazy goal. Oh my gosh, he shot it. Went over his glove, like he got it in his glove, but then he just rolled out. Look at that. Yeah, slow motion, please. See, he shot it. Then it goes a little bit faster. It went a little bit in the air, and then it just landed right in. He didn't believe it went in. He had to look back. Oh, darn it, it went in. I'm not saying that. I'm mimicking the goalie. I'm happy because it's 3-0 now for Vegas.
One possession. Good hit. Looks to get the puck over to Gardner. And the officials stop the play as the puck heads off the ice.
Puck is in the crowd.
Vegas has been skating circles around them.
So first period, 10 minutes, 10 seconds, 3-0, Las Vegas.
And now it's over to Stahl. Here they are on the attack. Up along the wing.
Try to shoot it, missed.
Makes the save. Vegas has had multiple chances here in this first, and they have capitalized. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Stopped by the goaltender.
Oh boy, oh. Got saved by the crowd.
Solid check to slow him down. Takes the puck at the point.
Oh. A lot of body checks here. Oh, Flurry! That's what the goalie's name is. That's fine. Nice. Oh, my battery level is low. That's fine. Because we scored slap shot goal. 4-0. Vegas. Let's go. William Carlson. That was too beautiful. Oh, shouldn't lose it. So 4-0, first period, 54 seconds. I already know who won. I think I might have picked the wrong team for Vegas. Or maybe I shouldn't have picked Vegas at all. It's too good of a team.
Vegas has been the better team here in this first period.
Alright, go Vegas, go!
And now it's brought by Slavin. Moves it quickly over to Stastny. Hammers the shot. Carolina's looking to break out of their own end. Plays the body. Taken by McGinn. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Carries it in. Can't connect.
Oh no. Oh!
Vegas has possession of the puck in the offensive end. Great reactionary save on that chance.
4-0, first period, 2 minutes, 43 seconds. Yeah. I already know who won.
Stastny's won the draw. Quick shot. Oh, what a stop.
Okay, if that went in, then I would have, like, I don't even know. Maybe, like, if Vegas gets to 6 or 7-0, then I'm switching teams. Carolina, like, I want some sort of challenge at least. Come on. I know it's fun to get the 3 goals, but also a little bit of a challenge is good. I just how many shot.
Outscored and generally outplayed them here in this first period.
So 15 out of 1 shots.
Win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Carolina's gained possession along the boards. Carries it across the line.
So we just are doing really good defense. And, yeah, they get a lot of offenses. So then we get face off and we win. We bring it up near the net. And then he doesn't pass it. So then we stay here and we get a goal. Kind of how it works. So first period, 4 seconds left of first period. Okay, so second period's about to start. I already know who won. So total shots, 1 out of 16. Vegas has 16. Carolina has 1. Body checks. Vegas has 17. Carolina has 1. Time on attack. Carolina, 47 seconds. Vegas, 2 minutes, 33 seconds. Passing, 82.4%, 66.7% for Vegas. Face-offs 1, 10 for Vegas, 5 for Carolina. 0 power play minutes, 0 power play, 0 power play. That's the exact same. And 0 shorthand goals.
Second period set to get underway.
T-Mobile.
Second period set to get underway. It was a disaster first. Here we go.
Oh, I thought you were gonna let that in. Honestly, thought that was gonna be
much more of a perfect game than they have in that first period. Now we are into the second period. They just want to continue to extend their lead. Puck grab by Schmidt. Makes the save and putting out the fire in front. Big hit on the
Oh, what? All alone, 2-on-1?
Oh, what a defensive
Missed.
stop! Yeah, he did have to step in, but the defender closed
Yeah,
the
but you
gap
wanna
and was able
race?
to foil the chance. Puck scooped up by Pacioretty. Makes the save. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Fires it into the offensive zone. Tries to get the puck over to Stone.
Stone has it.
Stone's got it across the
I
line.
take a shot.
Denies it with
Missed.
a save.
4-0. Second period. 15 minutes, 6 seconds.
Vegas
Real
has
life,
generated a
maybe
lot of
2
offense
minutes,
early
1
in the
minute.
second period, and
I
a
don't
big
know, I'm
reason
not good
why
with
they lead.
estimating things.
Stall's won it off the faceoff. The Golden Knights.
So Carolina won, but we
And he regains
we
control
still
of the
got the
puck.
puck because, well, that's how it
Puck
works.
picked up by Slavin. Slavin's lugging the puck. Slides the pass over to Vogel. Love that hit. Great hit on the play. He's
Oh,
got
what?
a step. Shuts him down on the breakaway. Really good save. It's the shooter thought he had an opening,
Break.
but it's turned aside.
Slap shot.
Him on the
Miss.
play. Picked up along the wall by Holden. Oh, just a textbook hit. Misses. Get it on the cage. Make the goalie do something with it.
Well, he sounds so shocked. I don't blame him.
Not
Not the goalie, no, the speaker or whatever.
There's nowhere for the opponents to go. The Hurricanes gain control of the puck against the wall. Quick pass across to Cousins. Cross corner dump in. Carolina's got the puck. He looks deep to Martinic. Good hit on the play. Martinez brings it in. Hammers a shot off target. Hammers a shot, and that's blocked. Taken along the wall by Cousins.
Oh, that was a heavy hit.
Makes his presence known on the ice.
He kind of went up in midair. The Vegas person who got body check. It's crazy.
Takes the puck behind the net. Harry Pace.
Oh, Carolina scored, so it's 4-1. It's fine.
Carolina's got one here in the second.
Bet you he Fleury let it go in, so he wouldn't feel as bad
Something positive,
for
something to
losing.
build on, but it's been a pretty rotten game for them so far.
But you know what? We're gonna score and we're gonna be all sad again.
Vegas has it near the wall. Whips on that. Oh, he laid a solid hit on him there. He was waiting for him and laid the
We have
shoulder
to pull
right
the
into him.
goalie.
That might loosen a few of the
Because I
shoppers on
did
that play.
skip, I think, the last goal.
Vegas will play
I
from
think,
behind the net. Takes the feed. Boom! Takes the shot and makes the save. Vegas with possession in their own zone. Grips it, rips it, big time stop there. He was telling me this morning he worked on this in practice this week, making sure the puck goes to the corner and doesn't stay in the net.
Okay. Body check.
Carolina's got it now. Oh, he rocked him. Oh, a clutch save.
No, one.
Athleticism serves him well there. Excellent
Second
stop.
period's over. Carolina has their first goal, while Vegas did not score. But I still think I know who's gonna win.
Away from the start of the third period.
Not just because I'm on the team, but like the goalie's good, and just from the gameplay and just from this play, like it's just good.
Perfectly. Oh, that's a good hit. Picked up along the boards by Carlson. And now it's grabbed by McNabb. Turns the puck over. Great
I don't
reach.
know how do they think they're gonna get 3 more goals, but that's what they think. Yeah, think they're not gonna do.
McNabb's got it into offensive territory. Carolina's got it from behind the net. And now he moves it to Vogel. Drills him. Rocks him.
Oh, that was
Look
good.
out, a 2-on-1. And a bad pass, and they'll be forced to start all over again outside the offensive end.
So we're gonna be up to the offensive end, so it's right above the blue line, or right below, right above or below, wherever you look at the blue line. I mean, it's right above the blue line.
Scooped up along the wall by Gardner. And now he tries to get it across to Stahl. A little banging and crashing now.
Oh my gosh, there's a ton of offsides.
The Golden Knights have built themselves
Third period, 15 minutes, 9 seconds. In real life, maybe 1 minute or so. I'm not good at
Slides it up
estimating.
ahead for the right wing. Solid body contact. Grabs control of it at the point. Well, that's the end of his shift. Man, JT
Oh, I thought that was gonna be in.
slowly getting
But, you
himself
know,
to the bench where he can get
Fleury's
tended to
good.
by the trainer. Vegas with one of their most dominant offensive performances we have seen in quite some time, off big time in the third. Grabbed along the board by Smith. The Hurricanes grab possession of the puck.
Oh, I did not even mean to control that, but that I didn't see it, but it sounded crazy. But if you guys didn't see it as well, let's see it. Oh, so I got body checked and I accidentally tripped a person. At least he got his water. That's all that matters. Or Gatorade. It depends. But like, it's Vegas. Like they're gonna score.
Because that helps the power play become more confident. More confident always.
Damn, it's already 2-on-1. And we score! Told you we'd score! Woo! Vegas is on fire! Ooh. Nate Schmidt, the second of the game. Third period, 12 minutes, 57 seconds, 5-1. I already know we're gonna win. Now Carolina needs 4 more goals. They probably will need 6. Oh no. Sorry, they need 5. No. They need 4 more goals to catch up. Sorry. I don't know what I said.
Vegas gains possession shorthanded. Retrieves the puck, trying to kickstart.
Gotta be 5. Soon.
And he comes up with a big stop. I can't do it better than that, James. That's a great stop.
Told you I'd do it soon. There we go. 6-1. 50 seconds was my last goal. So 50 seconds. Oh, even the speaker already knows that it's over.
He just got rattled by that big hit. Slowly, he's kind of meandering to the bench. You got to get the door open for him and help him get into the bench to get looked at.
I guess the person got hot. The person got hurt that were overlapping. On top of it. Okay. Yeah. Why is time going by so slow now? I'm gonna stop like keeping an eye on time.
Carolina's got the puck along the wall. That's a solid check on the play.
No. There we go. That's what I call flurry.
But the goalie is right in front of the puck. Fires it. That goes wide. Tough to generate a rebound even when the puck misses the net by that much. And he's able to handle that one.
Oh.
Big stop by the keeper. I like the goalie's positioning here. He was aggressive enough to make a save on a dangerous chance. The Golden Knights have it against the wall. Feeds the puck to Stastny. That's probably not.
Power play's over. So it's 6-1. Power play's over. Third period. 10 minutes, 15 seconds. Sorry if it's been a long one. It seems so long. But
and their offense has exploded to lead here in the
I guess
third.
there's a ton of offside, so.
Oh
Oh man, they scored 6-2. No, wait. Is it on goal? No. Oh, man. It was an accident. It was an accident. Okay, so it's 6-2, third period, 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 6 seconds. 6 seconds, sorry. Carlson.
With possession along the wall. And another stop. Oh, he's locked right in. A couple of stops in a row there. Vegas is one of their most dominant offensive performances.
So yeah, even though Carolina scored, we still know who won.
And as the puck is dropped, they win the
draw. I just saw Logan pop up. They have 26 saves to Carolina.
To his teammate, denies it in front. Nice move by the
goalie to get up
close to the shooter. Hobbling his way over to the bench after being banged up on this last shift. He's going to need some help from the training staff. Picked up along the boards by Cousins. Kicked up ahead to his teammate who skates away. And he comes up with it. Great defensive play to come up with the puck. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Van Riemsdyk. Lays into the body on the play. Quick pass to Cousins.
I don't know if I said this already, but there's a person named Flurry on Carolina. That's cool.
The Hurricanes are going to have to adjust here. They will not be getting that injured player back. He's done for the night.
So I injured a ton of people, and then I just heard one person say that an injured person's not coming back. So I don't know. I mean, it was 15 people, and who's not coming back. But all I know is we won. So.
Here's a chance. Blocked in traffic.
Well, there. All of them come back, and it's a 10-on-1. We still won.
Yeah, he was able to gauge his speed against the skaters. He moved back nicely with the.
I bet you if we took shots, we'd get every single shot
Vegas
on.
has been all over them right from puck drop, and they lead it big time late in this third period.
Maybe Carolina would get more because they're playing really good defense and body checking, but you know we don't need to bring that up.
Vegas takes possession along the wall.
Slap shot goal, 7-2. Should I just end the video right now? Because we already know who won. No, I'm not mean. I guess it's not really mean, but oh, you guys stay to the end so you can celebrate with me. If they pull their goalie, I'm gonna laugh. Because I'll get 3 goals.
Tucked into the cross side. The Hurricanes will play the puck from behind the net. Lays the body. Vegas has possession of it now.
See if we can get 1 more goal. There we go. 1-timer. 8-2. I wonder if the goalie's even trying. They're like, okay, you can get that in. We lost anyway. So get another goal. Make everybody else happy. 26 seconds left. 26.9 to be exact. 8-2. Maybe 8-3? No, no. Wait. No, it's still 8-2, not 8-3. 11 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6. Goal. No. Just body check to end it off. Because we're the Knights. Knights fight. There you go. That's the end of the video. Ended off to be a really, really high score. I mean, I knew it was going to be high, but not this high. Anyways, 8-2 Las Vegas. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks, guys, for watching. See you guys later. Bye.